Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand that sound is caused by vibrations, know about the musical instruments, identify the sound from musical instruments, understand how sound is produced and propagated by humans, acquire knowledge where the sound requires a medium for propagation, understand the propagation of sound in liquids and solids, analyze the working of human ear, define amplitude, time period, and frequency of a vibration, distinguish between loudness and pitch, analyze the audible and inaudible sounds, differentiate between noise and music, understand about the noise pollution and its control measure.